Did this mom go too far? She has a 9-year-old son who built a very impressive Minecraft world with a beautiful castle on an island, which he was very proud of. Well, since school was cancelled due to the pandemic, he had trouble waking up in the morning. She said he was supposed to wake up at 7 a.m. every morning, but he had been sleeping in till about 9 or 10. She told him that if he doesn't start waking up on time, there will be consequences. And for 2 weeks after that, he was doing really well, waking up on time every day. Well, one day, he accidentally slept in until 11. The mom decided to follow through with what she said. She went to his computer and deleted his Minecraft world. When she told him, he was completely distraught, crying, saying it took him over a year to build it. She also said for days after that, he refused to eat any meals. Did she go too far?